Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, the largest platform where you can prepare for any kind of interview. And this video is related to NALCO. नाल्को की शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग आ चुकी है। नाल्को में बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया गया है इंटरव्यू के लिए, और मैं इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि अगर आप मेटलर्जी या मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड के हैं तो आपको क्या तैयारी करना है, किस तरीके से आपको प्रोसेस आगे लेके जानी है। देखो, आप कौन से सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस करेंगे। देयर आर सम कोर सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ एवरी ब्रांच ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग। जैसे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में कुछ कोर ब्रांचेस, कुछ कोर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं। अगर मैं कुछ नाम लूँ नाल्को के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, तो आपका प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग। प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर मटेरियल साइंस, मेटल फॉर्मिंग, मेटल कटिंग एंड सिमिलर प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक कास्टिंग, वेल्डिंग, रिन्यूएबल अनकन्वेंशनल मशीनिंग। सो पूरे का पूरा प्रोडक्शन, लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मिंग एंड कटिंग एंड मटेरियल साइंस। ये तो हो गया जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके बाद स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट। फिर थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, हीट ट्रांसफर, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स। थर्मल वाले सब्जेक्ट्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज हीट ट्रांसफर भी इन्वॉल्व है। तो प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग में बहुत अच्छा आपका होल्ड होना चाहिए। मटेरियल साइंस शुड बी वेरी गुड, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल शुड बी वेरी गुड। दीज थ्री सब्जेक्ट्स वेरी नाइसली डन, प्लस हीट ट्रांसफर, then thermodynamics, fluid mechanics. These are the subjects which you should do. Now the good thing is, on the Europedia panel, in the panel of Europedia, you have all these subjects. Similarly, metallurgical engineers, they should go for material science and metallurgy. That is the main domain of the interview for all of you. And obviously these subjects which I mentioned for mechanical engineers are relevant for you also, like heat transfer and forming kind of topics other than material science and metallurgy. Heat transfer also and some part of thermodynamics also, you should prepare it. Now when you visit the site of NALCO, this is the website of NALCO. When you visit this site, you will understand couple of things that okay, what I am to prepare. On the website of NALCO, if you go on the menu, what they have mentioned here, couple of things they must have mentioned. So you go to products. In the products you will find some of the products like aluminum metal, alumina, zeolite, special product, rolled products. And the moment you see these products, the moment you start seeing these products, तो आपको आइडिया लगेगा कि अच्छा मेरे को ये चीज़ करना है। एल्यूमिनियम, एल्यूमिना, हाउ कैन यू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन डायग्राम फॉर एल्यूमिना? कैन यू टेल मी द ओर्स ऑफ एल्यूमिना? बिकॉज इट इज नाल्को। तो नाल्को में मेन प्रोडक्ट क्या है, एंड यू शुड प्रिपेयर सब्जेक्ट्स अकॉर्डिंगली. You should know how to draw the stress strain diagram of mild steel, cast iron, aluminium, how to find yield strength of aluminium, where is the application of aluminium, what is bauxite, those kind of things. Similarly, rolled products. So what are the rolling operation, detailed rolling operation you should be aware. Aluminium rolled products and all these particular things you should be knowing. Aluminium as a metal, you should go what is the meaning of ingot. Do you know what is ingot? Do you know what is the billet, ingot? So what is the difference between these? ये सारे के सारा, so you understand what subjects I am to prepare. यहाँ से आइडिया लगेगा कि आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स को तैयार करना है. So the moment you go in detail about this, you will understand okay this is the subjects I should prepare, और आपको इससे आइडिया लगेगा कैसे आपने तैयारी करनी है. जब मैं ऑपरेशंस में गया तो बॉक्साइट, एल्यूमिना रिफाइनरी, स्मेल्टर क्या होता है, what do you understand by captive power plant. I give you one case study like विशाखापट्टनम स्टील. Maybe many of you know विशाखापट्टनम स्टील एक पब्लिक सेक्टर था, और विशाखापट्टनम के लोगों के लिए वो एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस पब्लिक सेक्टर है स्टेट के लिए. बट पीछे कुछ टाइम उसमें प्राइवेटाइजेशन का बात चली कि इसको प्राइवेटाइज कर देंगे एंड ऑल. सो दैट द मेन रीजन वाई दिस that company was in losses, Visakhapatnam Steel. The reason was they were not having captive power plant. Captive power plant means the power plant dedicated for particular company. So NALCO का अपना power plant, that is called a captive power plant. Then wind power plant, solar power plant, so they may ask you something about the energy requirement and all. यहाँ से भी आपको आइडिया लगता है okay this is what I am to prepare. So what are the various products, and also नाल्को में जब आप वो इंटरव्यू में when you will go for the interview, they are going to ask you what do you know by NALCO, what is so special about NALCO. NALCO is market leader in what, number one in what are the various product of NALCO, what are the various business verticals of NALCO. As a mechanical engineer, metallurgical engineer, as chemist, why you want to join NALCO, what do you mean by smelter, what do you mean by captive power plant. Those things they will ask you on the basis of this information which is provided on the website. And also this detail about NALCO, so what is NALCO and all the details about NALCO, वो अलग से एक मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा, अलग से एक डॉक्यूमेंट बनाऊंगा. In that I am going to provide you those details about the NALCO also, what is NALCO and what is the things you should know about NALCO. And keep on going. So I was telling you like NALCO is number one in what? Number one in lowest cost producer of alumina in the world. So you should know what is alumina. Bauxite mein in the world, NALCO is number one in the world. So it is number one organization in the world. That is something which you should be knowing. So it is number one in which of the products, that also you should be aware. And then you know the details, how it all started with Midhani and all these things, that obviously we will be knowing, we will be discussing that in the separate video. But this video was like as a mechanical engineer what subjects you have to revise. So I told you production, usme bhi you know forming, rolling operation very important, forming, and then cutting, and then other subjects of production engineering, material science, strength of material, heat transfer, thermodynamics. These are very important subjects. And then because they are having power plant also with them, so power plant becomes the important subject for you. Revise these, friends. If you have got a call from NALCO, you should immediately join YourPedia for the preparation, because it is going to help you in your preparation. So let's start preparing for this, friends, so that we convert this into selection. All the very best. Thank you.